Meaning of EC.
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 EC. EC can have various meanings depending on the context. In the field of economics, EC could refer to European Community, a former organization of European countries aimed at promoting economic cooperation. In the world of science, EC could also stand for electrochemical or electrical conductivity. Additionally, EC could be an abbreviation for many different things, including educational credentials, environmental conservation, and engineering construction. The specific meaning of EC needs to be determined based on the context it is used in.